to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today, my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and this time we have some breaking news regarding the DJI FPV drone once again, and this time we have finally received the official pricing for the DJI FPV drone. So in today's video we're going to be sharing with you the official pricing that the DJI FPV drone from DJI will have. And also there was a lot of people asking and wondering if there was only going to be one version available for this drone, but well, today we have confirmation of all of the different versions that are going to be available, and we have the price for all of them. So don't worry, it's going to be an extremely exciting video, because if you wanted to know the price of the DJI FPV drone, you have come to the right place. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also, we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers. I will truly appreciate if you're new to the channel to hit that subscribe button to help us get to that 5,000 subscriber goal. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. So before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know the release date for the DJI FPV drone. It has now been confirmed, and the release date for this drone will be March 2nd, okay? There's no doubt about that. March 2nd will be when the DJI FPV drone will be released. We should be hearing something from DJI regarding the official launch event and times for when this drone should be present. So that will be up in the channel as soon as that goes live. But today we're here to talk about the pricing that this drone will have. And well, thanks to Amazon Netherlands, okay, we have the pricing for the DJI FPV drone, okay? So we knew that the DJI FPV combo was out there, but we didn't know if there were going to be different versions available. And well, today we can confirm that there will be 3 different versions available for purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead, my friends, and start. I'm gonna go ahead and start first with the price of the DJI V2 goggles, because that's going to be the first thing that DJI is going to be offering us. So the DJI FPV goggles have already been released, and they have a price of $569 right here on the screen. Okay, then we have the V2 goggles. So those are going to be available for purchase by its own. Okay, now let's talk about the second option that DJI is going to be offering us, which is going to be the drone, the DJI FPV drone plus the controller. Okay, so without any much further ado, here we have a picture of the FPV drone and the controller. So that will have a price of 730 euros, okay? And translated into USD or United States dollars, that comes right around $887, okay? Now, something that I want to mention real quick is that in most cases, and for the several years that we've seen DJI launches, prices in the United States come a little bit more competitive, meaning that there might be a slight reduction in price when compared to euros. So maybe we can see this coming at a price of $850, okay? And I mentioned this because that also happens with the FPV goggles, which are listed for sale for 580 euros, but they're for sale here in the United States for $569. So do expect a little less than when converting to dollars, okay? So do expect a little bit more of a competitive price in the United States. I just wanted to give you guys that heads up. So that first combo will include the DJI FPV drone by itself with its controller, okay? So that's going to be the first thing that DJI is going to be offering us, which is not that bad considering the price. Now, the second option that we have is the DJI FPV combo, which we have seen all over the place. It has been leaked, and what this is going to include is going to include the drone, it's going to include the controller, the goggles, one battery, one set of props, one shell, which comes in a lime green color, okay, and the power bank. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave the pictures of all of that right here on the screen. So that's going to come around the price of $1,000 300 euros according to Amazon Netherlands, okay? And when translated into dollars, that translates into $1,580, okay? So not cheap, definitely not cheap for the FPV combo, but I think what it includes is pretty reasonable, okay? And now the third option that DJI is going to offer us is going to be the Flamer combo, which we're accustomed to seeing with all of DJI drone releases. We've seen this in the past, which we get a nice little extra carrying case, some extra batteries, and well, this time it was no exception with the DJI FPV drone. So what will we get with the FPV Flamer combo? Well, we're going to be getting the drone, we're going to be getting the controller, the B2 goggles, 3 batteries, which each battery has a price of $150, which are pretty expensive, okay? The batteries are very expensive, and obviously we're gonna be getting a carrying case, an extra set of props, okay? So do expect those extra little goodies that we get normally with DJI. So that's going to be what we get, and that's going to come at a price of 1,650 euros, which translated into dollars, it's right around $2,000. So definitely a little bit more than what everyone was expecting, but $2,000 will be the price for the Flamer combo, which we have right here on the screen. Okay, my friends, so those are going to be the 3 things that we're going to be having available, or 4 considering the FPV tool. So let's make a quick recap of everything. 730 euros for drone and controller. That will be the first thing that DJI will offer. Second option that we have is going to be the FPV combo for 1,300 euros and will include drone, goggles, battery, and remote. And third option that we have is going to be the FPV Flamer combo for 1,650 euros. Okay, 1,650 euros for 3 batteries, goggles, remote, drone. Okay, so I think it's not a bad deal. Okay, and as I already mentioned, do expect the pricing in the United States to be a little bit more competitive than what we have in Europe. Okay, now one thing before we go, if you want to know the price for the official accessories for the DJI FPV drone, that has been confirmed and that got leaked thanks to Amazon Germany. And we have made a video talking about that, so if you want to know all of the accessories, including batteries, camera, gimbals, everything, that video has already been uploaded in the channel in case you want to check it out, because I will not go over that because then this video will be extra long and extra boring, so I don't want to make you guys do that. So that's going to be the price for the DJI FPV drone. It will not be cheap, but I think it's going to be a great hybrid drone. That's all I have for all of you today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.